Hello guys, and welcome back to Nutrition Elevated's YouTube channel. My name's Amy and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, and today I will be taking you into my kitchen and showing you my super easy dark chocolate recipe. So this recipe only has 4 ingredients. Yep, that's right, only 4, and it is just a few super easy steps. If you are dairy-free or need a lactose-free option, then this is the chocolate for you because it does not have any milk in it or any other dairy products. Also, if you're in the elimination stage of a low FODMAP diet, then this is a sweet treat that would be appropriate for you in moderate serving sizes. This is what the finished product looks like, just as a sneak peek. So without any further wait, let's head over to my kitchen and I will show you this super easy 4-ingredient dairy-free dark chocolate recipe. So let's go. Okay, so first I am putting 1 inch of water in a pan and then taking a second smaller pan and resting it inside the larger one. If you have a double boiler, you can use this instead, but I do not, so this is how I am improvising. So my first ingredient is going to be cacao butter, and we will be adding 1 cup of this to the pot. And then next I'll be adding sugar, or you can add the sweetener of your choice, and we will be adding 1/2 cup. And then we'll just stir to combine this. And then once the cacao butter is fully melted, we will remove from the heat and let it cool until it is room temperature. Next, we will be adding 1 cup of cacao powder to the cooled mixture, and then we will be also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then just stir until this is fully combined together. So next I will show you a couple of options for what you can do with your chocolate. The first option is pouring it into silicone molds. So here I have a cute little heart mold, and I'm just using a filter because it makes the pouring process a little bit easier. And you will just pour it into the molds and freeze until the chocolates are hard. Next, you can also drizzle the chocolate on top of things like popcorn or cookies, and it's really, really delicious. And then you can also use wax paper or something similar and pour the chocolate into a dish to make a sort of hard chocolate. You can also add things like dried blueberries or fresh nuts like pecans to just kind of spice it up a little bit. And then just cover and freeze or refrigerate until it is hard, and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. It's been my go-to chocolate recipe for the past couple of years, and it's just super, super tasty when you're wanting a dark chocolate sweet treat. If you know of someone who would enjoy making this at home, make sure you share it with them so they can see this super, super easy recipe and enjoy it for themselves. So I just wanted to share real quick that the cacao butter and cacao powder can sometimes be a little bit more tricky to find in store, or at least that's what I found in Phoenix, at least at this point. So I buy those products online, actually on Amazon, especially the cacao butter. Sometimes I can find the powder in stores, but the cacao butter I've yet to find in store. So if you run into a similar problem, I've dropped a couple links down below where you can find it on Amazon. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, and hit the bell if you want to get a notification every single time I post. I put out new videos every single week. So I will see you guys in the next video, and in the meantime, enjoy your chocolate. Hey, if you haven't yet, you should probably click over here and subscribe. And then go ahead and check out more videos right here.